First time mom Enya. She's doing a great job. Her one baby, I'm not 100% sure if it's figured it out yet, but we're not going to interfere yet. These were fresh, just born this morning. One of the things we love about the Icelandics, great mothers. This is her first time and she's doing a great job. It's so cute. 20 is in the chicken coop having her babies, and the chicken is standing guard. She's been in there for about an hour and a half. Nah, maybe not, maybe an hour. And I don't think the chicken's really left. She's gone in to check on her, but then she comes back out and sits out here. Odd, the relationships with animals, or between animals, I guess I should say. Danny and Dorothy are checking out the new baby lamb. So 20 had a little bit of trouble. She had two really big boys. And I did have to interfere and help on that little guy there that is visiting with the cows. She's over here now with her other one. We're trying not to interfere right now to see if she does go back to it. She did clean it off a little bit. I had to clean off part of it at the first beginning. We do want to give her the benefit of the doubt, and hopefully she'll go over there to it. But so far we have not seen her do that, even though he's calling her. Oh, she's going to come over because we're coming towards it. She's having trouble walking, so we were going to move it over with her because we didn't want him thinking he was a cow. I'll be honest, we've never seen a baby come out the size that this one was. And if we can get a picture of his head, you'll see the horns on him. It's no wonder that she had trouble. Dorothy, did you want a baby lamb? She's actually being really good. Now saying that, it's on the other side of the fence. Oh, she's talking to it. She seems a little bit more concerned with stuffing her face right now. The cows are actually being really cute. Danny's like, can I have one? The nice thing about this little boy is he is the color that I wanted. You can't see it yet, but he's a little Morit gray. He's going to turn really pretty gray. He's got the colors on his nose. You're coming right over. You can see the size of the horns on him. Anyways, we're just going to keep an eye on her, make sure she's okay, but she is up and walking around now. She definitely had some trouble at first. I'm pretty confident that they will be just fine, all three of them. First time Mama Star. We're just waiting to see if we've got another one on the way. But she's doing a great job. She had it no problem. Cleaning him up. They are amazing mothers. We do find sometimes first timers, we do have to put them into the stall in the barn just to kind of get them comfortable with it, because sometimes they have trouble when they're out with the rest of the herd. But saying that, we're probably being extremely overcautious. But he looks like he's a pure black. I don't see any gray on that nose. This is fantastic. Boy, we've had a lot of baby boys this year. Oh boy. It's amazing how fast they get up and going. sides are heaving, so that makes me think there's another one on its way. See how the out and in? One of the telltale signs. She's doing a great job sorting this boy out before she gets on to the next one. She already has feet coming out for the next one. There they are. Baby wants to nurse. Oh, and the other one just came out. Oh my goodness, it's white. And that's how easy it is. She didn't even push. It must be a girl. Oh yeah, definitely a little girl, I think. Just kind of fell out. Looks like a spaniel dog. I think that one's brown. I'm pretty sure it's a Morit. Oh God, look, it's already trying to get out. Came so quickly, she's more concerned with the first one still. But she's being a really good mom talking to it. Good girl. It really is amazing. Like, just came out and look at it, already getting up almost. Chris is going to run a little bit of interference here. That baby plopped out and then walked all the way over there away from Mama. So he's just carrying her back without getting too interfering for Star to look after. A Morit spotty girl that looks like a spaniel, and a solid black big boy. I just can't get over how far it went and how quickly it came out.
Yeah, it got really far from her.
But she's doing a great job. This is Tony. He's such a little pet.
He's already getting his gray fleece in underneath.
What a good little boy. It's the weirdest thing. We've never had this before.
Not from one that...
I got bottle lambs, yes, but not a...
It is.
I'm going to say a regular lamb, but